Hey, in this video I am going to discuss how can you type automatically and send spam messages to WhatsApp, to Facebook, at anywhere. And you can move your mouse automatically with Python. And what Python package is required, and it is PyautoGUI. So how to install PyautoGUI Python package, you already know about that. Just type pip install PyautoGUI. I put the link of this blog in the description, so just go and check it. So at first open cmd and now install the package PyautoGUI. So just go to pypi site and now copy it and just install it. So in my case the Python package is already satisfied. So at first I will show you how can you type automatically. So just open VS Code or any code editor and now create a Python file. Just name it PyautoGUI.py. Now just import the Python package. At first import PyautoGUI and now also import the sleep from time. So just type from time import sleep. We will use this sleep function, and now here create a for loop for I in range and just give an integer value 6. Okay, so now just type PyautoGUI.write write. So now here just give a string. I just give B learning club. Now you can set the also interval, and here the interval. What is the interval? Interval means after type every letter there is a gap, means timing gap, and this timing gap is interval. So here just give a interval value 0.05 second, and now after type this word be learning club, now use the sleep function for 0.1 second or 0.2 second, whatever you want. Okay, so now save it, and here before the for loop start just use this sleep function and just sleep for 3 seconds. After 3 seconds the for loop will start. So here also create a text file. So just here create a text file before run it, and I just open it and now run this function. So you can see after 3 seconds it will automatically type for you. So you can see it. So now I just change the loop value for 5 times and now save it and now run it and just put your cursor here and you can see. So the next is how can you send the spam messages to WhatsApp or Messenger. At first you have to import the PyautoGUI and then import the sleep from time, and here before the for loop just use sleep for 15 seconds, because after the run for loop you have to open your Messenger or WhatsApp and this will take some time. So that's why just use sleep for 15 seconds before the for loop. And now here is the for loop for x in range 5, means this loop will run for 5 times, and inside the for loop just type PyautoGUI write and just type your string and give an interval value, then type PyautoGUI.press and give the value enter, and that means the enter key will hit automatically. And then also type PyautoGUI.press and just give the value h and then I. That means h and I will hit automatically. And then also type PyautoGUI.press and enter, because you have to send the messages also. So I just copy this and now here I just paste it. So before run this I just change this sleep value to 5 seconds, and now so before run this at first just open the WhatsApp or Messenger and then run this. Within 5 seconds, just select the chat box and you can see your string type automatically. And you can see it. Now the next is how to get position of your mouse cursor. I just open CMD and here at first type Python to open the Python shell. Now import PyautoGUI at first. So just import it, and now I just want to know what is the position of this mouse pointer or cursor. So just type PyautoGUI dot position and now hit enter. So the position of this point x equals 76 and y equal 115. When mouse pointer means cursor moves left to right, that means x will increase. When the mouse pointer moves top to bottom, that means y is increased. Now also talking about some important function. You can move your mouse pointer automatically using move to function. So I just copy it and now here paste it. So after run this, the mouse pointer will move to the position x equal 445 and y equal 555. So just hit enter. You can see it. The mouse pointer has moved. And also you can click or double click automatically. So at first I just get this position and then use the double click. So just open the CMD and at first I just get this position. So copy this and here just paste this and just move to mouse pointer here. And now what is the position? The position is x equal 118 and y equal 194, and here I use double click. So I just copy and paste here and just give the value of xy 118, 194 and hit enter, and you can see it. The mouse pointer move automatically and here just double click also automatically. And also you can press both key together. Here you using hotkey function. At first I just copy press and the paste in CMD. So at first I just copy this PyautoGUI position and now paste here and move your mouse pointer on the press word and hit enter, and the point x equal 140, y equal 439. And now just use a small trick here. Y equal 1, at first take a variable and here just type if y equal 1, then PyautoGUI double click this position and just change the value to 140, 439, and then PyautoGUI dot hotkey and then press Ctrl Ctrl plus C for copy, and I just run this at first. You can see it, and now paste it here by using hotkey. So just type PyautoGUI dot hotkey and then type Ctrl plus V. So you can see it. And also you can locate any image file on your screen and then get the location by using locate on screen function. So inside the PyPI site here is also docs available, but this is very easy block. I will put this link into the description box, just check it. Okay, so friends, thanks for watching the video. See you in next video and don't forget to subscribe the channel also.